Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about sourcing your hair, ethical ways of sourcing hair. Yep, tune it in. Hey guys, so we are talking about sourcing hair ethically. I know, is there an ethical way to source hair, you're asking? There totally is. There totally is. It is a lot more humane. I'm not gonna lie. I don't wanna, knock any religions or anything like that. I just think it's a lot more, truthfully, more for the fact that I know what this hair has gone through. That is why I like to know. Most of the wigs that I get, I humanely source the hair that you can know from who it's coming from a donor. For the longest time, I would have Russian girls grow out their hair because it's nice and thick, strong, healthy hair. They actually keep it in a braid or they keep it rolled up around their head so there's no sun damage. So that is like the cream of the crop way to source your hair. I think it is an awesome way. There are some great ways you can get in touch with people. If you do want to know my source, leave a note in the comment below. If you're fun enough, maybe I'll let you know the secret. But then there are different ways to get your hair. So the hair, where it comes from, will determine pricing first and foremost. So this is an actual expense that you have to factor into your wig making. And truthfully, it will set you apart from the rest. The hair, because you actually know the person whose head it has come from, that you can literally guarantee your hair longer. So then there are companies that can take that hair and turn it into weft for you. You can give that to your manufacturer, your wig manufacturer, if they're going to be, machine ventilating the back of the wig. I call them the foundations for you. Or you can do it just all from hand, full ventilating from scratch. So depending on what level you are at, I really highly suggest that we go a little bit further in our educating ourselves on where our hair is actually coming from. I know there's a beauty store like down the road that you can get your hair from, but is it truthfully ethical? Are people actually making a true livable wage, with the hair that you are using and are supplying? I know hair supplies, the industry itself has boomed in the last couple of years. We're at like a $10 million industry we're in. And so having the best hair is something that we have to keep an eye on, and how we are getting it, how we are advertising that this is how we are ethically doing it. I know Refinery 21 did an amazing video on a documentary on how hair is sourced, and I have reached out. We have been in conversations to source more ethically so that people can actually have a living wage. There is enough money in the world for everyone, and you can support and help the different communities where we're getting our hair from. There are definitely stronger and smarter ways of keeping that revenue going. You're building relationships with people in different countries. You're helping full communities. One head of one donor hair for us can literally be enough for them to last a whole year just for food purposes. So we have to take that into consideration. We as wig makers and wig designers need to step up and really source hair more just more healthier, just to give back better to the communities that we are going in and using hair from. So take this into consideration when you are making your wigs and the extensions that you are using. I know it is hard, it is very difficult, it is extra taxing, but twofold, you will be helping a community that really does need the help, and second off, you will have a better product. At the end of the day, we want to be giving the best products we can to our clients so that we can actually, really truly believe in the products we have. Some wigs and hair that we get is kind of like, hopefully all the cuticles in the same way. I know the hair industry has no standards at all whatsoever, which is even more crazy to me. that we are taking, hair from temples and then putting it in through like so many processes, and literally they're donating the hair, and then yeah. So it's a little crazy on my end. So I try to ethically source my hair so that we get the best of both worlds, where I actually know where it's coming. I know what they're eating, basically, because I paid them the last time. So it's really great to have that just in the back of my mind, that I can help a community grow stronger and actually have like a bunch of people growing out their hair for me. So make sure you take this in consideration. I know it can put extra taxing on yourself, but it makes you a smarter person. It makes your business grow stronger. You can actually have a better relationship with making your wigs, so you know from beginning to end. And you can actually talk about it, and you can actually have it as part of your business structure, that you are a ethically sound hair source person, so you can make more with what you have. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe. If you could, do the like. I know it's difficult, and for the algorithm, maybe put a little something down there. But let me know if you're sourcing hair ethically, or if you don't even know where it's coming from, and a little call to action. How about if you, in the comments, put if you know what Remy hair is? That is what I want to know. I want to know if you truly know what it is. Try not to Google it, but yeah, so do that. And follow this other bubble over here, so that you can watch some more stuff from my crazy butt, so that we can have fun and work smarter, not harder, and always grow so we know.